Hello friends, I am Samarth Vashisht and this short video is to showcase my latest acquisition, which is an HMT ADSL 04 automatic watch. So this is my first video on YouTube ever, so please be kind to me. So if you look at the watch, so I have a lot of watches. I have a few Casios, I have a few Timexes, and a couple of Titan watches as well, and all of them are quartz watches. But I also have I recently acquired a couple of hand wound mechanical HMT watches, among them the legendary Pilot as well as the new Chalak, both of which are excellent watches. And so this particular watch, I found by chance. I'm from Delhi, and I've been looking around in Delhi for dealers who stock authentic HMT watches. And there's one HMT showroom in Jhandewalan, but the kind of variety they have is not really very exciting. So I was here in Bangalore for a couple of days on a personal trip. So I found this shop called Ganjam Nagappa and Sons in Jayanagar, and you can probably see the address here. And they sort of showed me this watch, and I liked it immediately and bought it. So if you look at the watch itself, it's the dial is a brilliant white dial, and it's pretty cool actually. And it has a domed crystal, although you won't see that in this in this perspective of the video. I'll try to just show you the domed crystal. It is really excellent. I think it has a very very classy look, and it's a pleasure to hold it, feel the crystal, and also wear the watch. So this is an automatic 21 joules, which means that you have to wear it for a certain number of hours every day to keep it running. So if you haven't worn it for a couple of days, you can probably use the crown on the right side to wind it and start it again. And the manual says you can also shake it to start it again, but I haven't tried that bit. And it has a date function, and so the manual says that you have to wear it for some 8 hours a day, but I think less should be fine as well. In any case, I have a few watches, so I don't think I'll be wearing it every day, but I'll probably be able to give you more details in that aspect, when I start wearing it regularly. So it's silver in color, but silver color with a white dial, but I think there's a blue version of it as well somewhere. I haven't found it, but I saw a couple of pictures of the ADSL 03 in blue on the internet, the Watch You Seek forum, and that color looks excellent in this particular model. Not this model, but ADSL 03 perhaps. So you have to look around and see if you have a blue version for ADSL 04 as well. Coming to the state in which it was delivered, it was sold to me, so it's nothing spectacular, but at the same time, pretty okay. So there is this box, that it came in. It's mostly cardboard, typical HMT watch, and pretty okay. And it came with of course, a 1 year warranty, and which is an HMT standard warranty. And I think the warranty card is slightly different for automatic watches than it is for the hand-wound mechanical watches that I have. Came with a standard bill, a standard carry bag, not polythene, eco-friendly. So that's pretty much it. So before I sign off, I'll just quickly let you take a look at the dial of the watch again. And if you're looking for an affordable and cool, sort of elegant looking automatic watch, I think this is the watch for you. So I'll keep posting to this channel about my watches and my other interests in life, so stay tuned please. Thank you very much.